Keela.
My name's Marty.
My name's Mila,
And I am Daniel.
and we're here with the Village Coalition doing this year's placemaking project. We have a garden at Greeley Gardens where we're transforming and creating walking areas and raised flower beds, and we're going to be doing community produce gardening and workshops towards creating sustainable farming. We're also doing a oral history project while we're building communication temples and pyramids. We're going to be going around doing community workshops to educate people on how they can record their own oral history as well as each other's oral history, and we'll be storing that on a website that we can all share.
Oh yeah, we're also going to be working with a nonprofit called Food by Design. We're working with the Hazelnut Grove Village and the Greeley Forest Garden together to be able to develop like a permaculture-based farming training application program, which just has to do with us all learning skills on how to grow our own food and be able to service the city that surrounds us too. So.
Right. And I stay next door to Greeley Forest at Hazelnut Grove. I don't like to say houseless village because technically I got a roof, but in one of the tiny houses. And my job is pretty much what I'm going to do is pretty much I do the gardening project at Hazelnut Grove, and since Greeley's right next door, we have people that is getting into society that comes through Hazelnut Grove, and pretty much inspire them to something to do, become important to the society, and taking care of like a permaculture, all that. It's very beneficial. So pretty much my job is to basically uplift, and garden and heal the world.
And I am designing the pyramid. He'll be taking care of a lot of the technological aspects.
They're also powered by Futel.
Right. Free payphones. Yeah. Also try to keep things on a positive vibe along the way.
It's important.
Yeah.